What's up everybody, Matt Maran here with another video from New York. This is the revised and refreshed 2019 Mercedes-AMG C63S, which mainly you can see gets the new grille, the new Pan America grille, which is a trademark on all 63 level AMG models. Also a more aggressive front bumper there as well, and all these new C-classes get these new headlamps as well, have the new LED elements and look really nice. On the back here you can see there's some slightly tweaked taillights, but I personally can't even tell the changes to the taillights myself, but they say they are reworked. They also reworked the bumpers. The wheels are also new here on the 63s. And you know, there's other small changes and packaging changes. For example, you can now get the AMG Performance seats with a ventilated option as well. You get the new standard 10.3-inch command display screen there in the middle now, which is also a great additional feature that's added. They also now have digital gauges available. You get the steering wheel from the S-Class. Was originally introduced in the S-Class with the metal buttons and has trickled down now, but there's a better look at the gauge cluster there, which looks really cool and has different customizable looks to it as well. Also, that steering wheel has these two little new full color buttons that you can customize the like whether you want it to show that your exhaust mode or whatever, and those can actually control different things. And so that's a cool little feature there as well. They didn't announce pricing yet for these, and they're not going to be going on sale until the beginning of 2019. So we're about, you know, a little less than a year away from these things actually hitting the streets. So it'll be a little while, but some really nice changes. You can see it also is applied to the sedan, of course. But yeah, so that is the refreshed 2019 Mercedes-AMG C63S.